In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with other apps. We'll walk through using Monday.com's built-in integration center so you can connect your boards to tools like Slack, email platforms, CRMs, and more without needing to write any code. I'll guide you step by step, explain what each part means, and share a few tips along the way so you feel confident setting this up on your own. First, open the Monday.com board where you want the integration to live. Integrations are always tied to a specific board, so make sure you're on the right one before you start. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Integrate button. This opens the integration center for that board. Inside the integration center, you'll see a gallery of apps and services you can connect with Monday.com. You can either scroll through and explore what's available, or use the search bar at the top to look for a specific app, like Slack, Google Sheets, or your CRM. If you're not sure what you need yet, browsing can be helpful to get ideas of what's possible. When you click on an app, you'll see a collection of what Monday.com calls recipes. These are pre-built automation templates that describe a trigger and an action in plain language. For example, you might see something like, when a status changes, notify someone in Slack. Pick the recipe that best matches the workflow you want to create. After selecting a recipe, you'll be prompted to connect your external account. Click Connect, and a new window will open asking you to sign in or authorize access. Follow the on-screen instructions and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace or account for that tool. Once authorization is complete, you'll be brought back to Monday.com. Now you'll customize the recipe by mapping fields. You'll see blue underlined parameters in the sentence, like status, person, or channel. Click each blue word and choose which Monday.com column or value should be used, and then, where relevant, which field in the connected app it should link to. This field mapping step is crucial because it tells Monday.com exactly what data to send and where it should go. When everything looks correct, click Add to Board. Your integration is now active on that board. From here, you can test it by triggering the condition you set and adjust the settings later if you need to refine how it behaves.